Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be walking you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to withdraw money from trading 212 So if you want to withdraw money from trading 212 here's a simple workaround for that, but make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake. So let's get started. So the first thing to do is to open the trading 212 app on your phone and log into your account. Then go to the invest tab at the bottom of the screen, then select the power you want to withdraw your money from, then tap the three dot icon or the settings icon on your power, then choose withdraw fund from your option, then enter the amount you want to withdraw and confirm your choice. So Trading 212 will sell the required shares to free up the cash, and this process may take a short while to complete. So once the sales settle, the money will appear in your available fund chance, and go back to the main invest screen, then tap manage funds, then select withdraw, and you can also choose your linked bank account, then confirm the account to complete the withdrawal. So it takes between 2 to 3 business days for money to reach your bank depending on your payment provider, and that's how you can easily withdraw money from Trading 212. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.